MPO connector inspection has been an area of focus and investment from Viavi Solutions for the last number of years. In the lab or in the field, it's a critical problem that the industry needs solutions for. The growth of MPO connectivity, current generation and even next generation, is really propelling a need for new and advanced ways to simplify workflow both in manufacturing and in the field. In the lab and manufacturing environment, the FVAM family has been the workhorse. And today I'm going to introduce you to the FVAM-2000, which is a next generation product focused in particular at looking at MPOs in a bulkhead format, not unlike what you would find in the OSFPs and QSFPs that are propelling our industry today. In the FVAM-2000, really three key areas of focus I'd like to call your attention to. One is the development of a new connector interface to simplify and manage bringing a bulkhead type device into a workflow environment. Ergonomic, easy to attach, easy to change. Our new attachment system is really focused on solving that problem in the transceiver presents in manufacturing. The second innovation I would call your attention to, the 2000 is built from our new next generation innovative Microscope engine. An engine that is finding wide adoption in a number of different families across our portfolio. Brighter, higher contrast, faster panning, all of these things are driven by the Optic engine driving the FVAM-2000. And last but not least, a big part of the story at the volumes that we're talking about is bringing an automation framework, being able to bring the scripts and drivers that allow you to take our inspection tools and integrate them into your PC-driven workflow. For many, many years, these devices have typically been deployed standalone, and at the volumes that we're talking about, integration and automation is becoming a very key driver.